Hello today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the AUTO-VOX W7 digital wireless backup camera with 5-inch HD monitor. We have here a backup camera system for trucks and cars with the IP69 waterproof and super night vision camera system. It's dual backup camera for cars, SUVs, pickup, and so on. We have a 5-inch monitor with a vivid HD image. This wireless backup camera with a 5-inch display, which is enough and space to see seamlessly. This fits in any size of vehicles, from large to a mini. The backup camera systems with the PC1058 sensor delivers good true to life image sans color distortion. This gives us an accurate view of what's beyond our car. And we have a stable interference resistant digital signal. Because the backup camera system utilizes a 2.4 GHz digital wireless technology, ensuring a steady interference-free image, unaffected by Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and radio. This is either for cars, pickups, trucks, SUVs, vans, and trailers under 33 feet. It's the top pick for safe reversing and monitoring. And we have a wide angle and 6 adjustable parking lines. The backup camera offers a 110-degree golden angle to prevent image distorting during parking. The wireless backup camera coupled with 6 adjustable guidelines. It's wireless backup camera for trucks, easy parking in tight spots for effortless safe in reverse. And it is a good installation. This backup camera system means no messy cables, no separate transmitter needed. We simply installation the camera system on our interior in the front side, and we mount the backup camera monitor on our car inside interior, and then we have to install the camera on the back side of our vehicle at the license plate, and we dock the cable of it on ground and on a 12-volt source, like the reverse cable. And then we connect the car backup camera to the reverse light, and effortless set for easy parking after these steps. And with an excellent night vision and IP69 waterproof level, a 1/3 inches CMOS color sensor with 5 glass lenses and a 0.1 lux sensitivity ensures a crystal clear image even in a dim light. This allowing us for a safe night reverting too. It's rated IP69K waterproof rating. This durable wireless backup camera for cars withstands rain, and of course a car wash. Of course, because this is an important thing that this camera can handle this. We have a wireless backup camera with 0 interferences, excellent performance at day and at night time, excellent parking assistant, high compatibility, true life images, IP69 waterproof, great. And it fixed to sedans, SUVs, pickup trucks, RVs, vans, trucks, cars, and so on. We can switch between normal and mirror image. The image can be flipped between mirror, rear view, and facing front view, for example, because you can attach the camera system on the front side too, if you like. And the camera is adjustable. The viewing angle can be manually adjusted according to different modes and the angle of the installation itself. And for the screen, we have a suction cup. This allows us to mount the screen on the center console or on our windshield. And the center console installation process is additional with 360 degrees rotation of the bracket. That means we are able to rotate it 360 of the stand. We can adjust the angle of the screen at our will. From any angle, can see the situation of outside the car. And then we can start and have a good reverse action with the AUTO-VOX W7 digital wireless backup camera system with a 5-inch HD monitor. It's a good backup camera system for trucks, cars, SUVs, pickups, and so on, with IP69 waterproof level and good night vision, dual backup camera system for your car. Easy to install, easy to use. For an complete installation process, visit my channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.